Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. That's right, I got a new little one right here that we're a future project. We're gonna see what you guys think, but if you're new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button, hit that bell for notification, and give it a like and leave your comments down below. So today I'm going to show you a future project. I just want to see what everybody thinks of this one, so please leave your comments down below. This one was done a real long time ago. I know it's sunny outside. This is one of your old school custom 80s vans. This one's been sitting for quite a while. Got the old school aluminum rims. And yes, it is quite moist over here. And the full body kit. This used to be Earl's delivery truck for parts and things like that. Oh, this thing has been sitting for a really long time. Wooden steering wheel. I mean, this thing is so old. I mean, I know it's going to be kind of a short video on this one. Center light's taken out of it. I mean, there's not much mileage on it. I mean, actually, no. Well, it's got 99,000 on it. But even for being the age this is, this was just something he used to, you know, pick up parts and things like that. It's all fully carpeted. I mean, the seats, everything are showing really beautiful shape. You know, manual windows. I mean, this poor van hasn't run in God knows how long. It's quite dirty. You can see, I mean, the body kit and the doors have seen better days. Still got the fold down seat. Here's the inside of her. I mean, the headliner's falling down, and it's all stuff that can be, you know, redone. It'd make a cool minivan again, you know, something custom, because these vans like this are starting to come back around. There's a guy who's got another channel, I can't remember it offhand. He's got a channel that's nothing but like old lowrider 80s pickup trucks. And like I said, leave your comments down below. This should be a project we should work on and save it. I mean, it's not rotted out. I mean, there is some surface rust on the bottom of the doors. That's a given. But this is not a vinyl wrap. This is all, you know, custom painted, you know, way before vinyl wrap really got popular. Oh, the door won't even open. Can I get her open? Yeah, I think so. Okay, maybe not. Let's see if I can pop her open. Nope, I can't get it open. But yeah, this is going to be one that we might work on, we might not. I mean, the body kit is, you know, I don't know if that's fiberglass. Yeah, it's really thick fiberglass. Yeah, it's an old project, you know. Maybe we might revamp. Put your comments down below. Let me know if it's something we should redo. I think it'd be fun to bring this thing back to life. You know, pull her back out of the mud. I mean, even, and you can see it, it's not rotted at all. I mean, this is just surface rust that can be fixed. Okay, now we're finally rolling around on springtime, and everyone's gonna start pulling all their vehicles out and redoing them and things like that. So I think it'd be cool to do. Walk around the front and get a nice thumbnail for this. Yeah, this is definitely an old school van. I remember when this used to be on the road. Still neat. But yeah, she's still in really good shape. Can't remember exactly what year it is, but I know it's been around a long time. You know, little side vent windows and things like that. I mean, even for sitting as many years as it has, the paint is still in really nice shape. I mean, it would clean up real easy. I know the bottom of the doors will have to be repaired and painted, but it's still a sharp looking truck. It'd be neat to fix up. So yeah, leave your comments down below, let me know. Till then, like I said, if you're new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button, help my channel grow, share it with your friends and family, hit that like button and hit that bell for notifications so you see all my future ones that come out, and take a look at my old ones. Till then, see you then.